How to post then and now pictures on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can post then and now pictures on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once on your home page, navigate to the profile icon with three-line icon at the top right corner. You will land in your menu page. Here, scroll down a bit and under the section of all of these menus, tap on Memories. After you're here, there you can see you have different layouts for your memories. So to post then and now pictures, tap on then and now layout. Here you get to choose your recent photo and older photo. So to add recent photo, tap on add recent photo. If you have pictures in your Facebook account, you can choose from here, or if you want to add from your device, tap on add from device and select a pictures from here. Now if you want to add your older photo, again tap on older photo. If you have in your Facebook account, you can choose from your Facebook album, or if you want to add from your device, tap on add from device, and then now you can add any pictures. Now tap on next from the top right corner. Now once you are done adding your then and now picture or your recent and older picture, you can simply tap on next from the top right corner. So once you're here, you will land in this create post page and you can say something about your picture. And once done, you can simply tap on post from the top right corner, and then your now and then pictures will be posted in your Facebook account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.